Hello, I'm Dr. Deepak Devakar. So everybody wants a glowing skin. So what is a glowing skin? Glowing skin is generally a perception where there is no spots on the skin tone is uniform. It doesn't matter if it is a dark skin or a light skin. Mainly they need to have a uniform pigmentation without uneven skin tone. So some skin problems can cause pigmentation and patches in the skin will take away the glow of skin. But the first step for a glowing skin is a healthy lifestyle. You need to focus on hydration, have enough water intake, a regular skin care, cleanser, toner and moisturizer and sunscreen. A healthy lifestyle, good sleep and a healthy diet will go a long way in giving a radiant complexion. So skin glowing can be achieved with a daily skin routine. You can't do it overnight with some quick products. There are some procedures which will help you temporarily, but in long term you need good skin routine and hydration and moisturizers products suitable for your skin to get a glowing skin. Now some of them have oily skin, some sweat more, some skin is already dry. So everybody can't have a similar uniform skin tone. On pictures or on YouTube and various places you see people having glowing skin or Korean glass skin, which is not a reality for everybody. So you can achieve a uniform skin tone with a fresh glowing skin in natural Indian skin type also. This is just with a good skincare routine. Now what is a good skincare routine? Use a gentle exfoliant. Don't use any scrubs on the skin which makes it more sensitive and harsh. Gentle cleansing followed by a moisturizer. Moisturizer will go a long way in giving good skin glow. It creates a uniform skin barrier. It will protect against dryness and roughness and it will avoid uneven skin tone. So based on skin type, you need to choose the right moisturizer. There are cream based moisturizers, gel based, and there are some more heavier creams. Some products suit some of them. So if you come to a dermatologist, we can help you and analyze your skin and understand and advise you the right moisturizer suitable for your skin. Apart from moisturizers, sunscreens also are very important to improve a skin glow. You need a right SPF based on the sun exposure. You need to apply enough quantity of the sunscreen and put dots and make a layer on the skin. So which will have effect for 3 to 4 hours. After that it has to be reapplied depending on your sun exposure. So these are all the daily skin routine which can be done. Now there are many hyaluronic acid containing serums which can be used at home. These are available online which you can use comfortably and it is a good product compared to a regular moisturizer. This gives a good hydration to skin and even skin tone. Apart from that, vitamin C is also very useful to help in reducing the pigmentation. Vitamin C can be in oral form as well as vitamin C serums are used. You can use vitamin C serum in the morning or night according to your skin routine what you are choosing. Morning vitamin C can be applied directly. If your skin is a little dry, you apply a moisturizer followed by vitamin C serum and then a sunscreen. If you're using at night, you can just wash your face and apply vitamin C directly. If your skin is not dry, then you can directly use a vitamin C also. Now skin glow can be achieved with some procedures also. Now there are oral medications which will help in reducing the pigmentation of skin and lightening the skin and giving a good glow to skin. Hormonal changes cause various skin conditions which take away the skin glow. This has to be analyzed and treated accordingly. Thyroid conditions, any PCOD, acne spots which are left, all this will give such blemishes in the skin which cause uneven skin tone and dark spots. So when we are looking for a skin glow, a regular exfoliation once a month will be helpful to improve your skin texture. Very basic procedures are there such as microdermabrasion or chemical peels which can be done at a dermatologist clinic to improve the skin tone. Every month if you are doing this, in long term you will see a significant improvement in pigmentation. There is no harsh procedures required, but with basic skin care you can have a smooth skin tone. When there are some pigmentations which are because of skin diseases or acne scarring or deeper pigmentations are left which are not going with the basic skin care, then we step up to the next treatment through laser treatment. So lasers are basically lights which help in reducing pigmentation. Now laser will help in clearing the pigmentation and improving the skin tone. There is various lasers which I will explain you in our next talk. So as of these skin care routines are followed, you can see a good skin glow and prepare your skin for the social occasion you are planning for. So there is a procedure called as hydrafacial which we do at our clinic, which is one of the best procedures to improve skin glow. It has got multiple steps which helps in exfoliation, improving the skin barrier, moisturizing of skin and then the serums are used which help in skin glow, and then followed by a mask application on skin. So this is a very common procedure now which is done, and it is safe for most of the skin types. Once we analyze your skin, we can recommend you best suitable procedures for you. Apart from hydrafacial, chemical peels also done. There are very mild peels which can be done, like lactic acid. Lactic acid is present in milk, as you know, which is available in various products, and it is a very age-old product used to lighten the skin tone. Lactic acid is basically going to exfoliate the skin very gently by giving enough moisturizing to skin also, as well as reducing the pigmentation. So this kind of chemical peels also help in reducing pigmentation, and finally lasers available for many difficult pigmentations which needs to be cleared.